Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello, people, and how are you doing? Here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started again. So we are having multiple news into the market today, but the major high impact news is at 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at these timing because you already know it is a high impact news timing, and the price could be really volatile, which is not ideal for lower time frame trades. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that we are approaching towards this monthly FVG because everything here was mitigated by the price, and we have closed above the previous highest wick of the move, which confirms that the price is really bullish for Euro USD right now. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that we were having this FVG, the price respected it, and we moved into the upside direction, and we gave a close above the price, which swept the previous swing high, which also confirms the monthly bias of bullishness. Now let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price is having this FVG, and the price responded from this FVG and moved into the upside direction. So for now, currently into the lower time frames, basically this low is a strong low, a relative strong low most likely. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that we were having this structure from where the price moved into the upside direction. Now we came down and mitigated this daily FVG. Not only that, we mitigated the extreme FVG over here, and we also mitigated this particular swing, which was responsible for the price to move into the higher direction, most likely higher than the previous PD area. So let's move to the 2 hours now to see what do we have in there. As we move into the 2 hours, nothing much is clear, but we can see that the price was reluctant to go higher over here, and we get a close above this candle's range, which confirms that the price is relatively bullish as compared to the lower area. So now I'm anticipating that we are going to see a reaction in this leg somewhere because the price disrespected this uh, candles high, which was responsible for pushing the price into the lower direction. So let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is we are having this FVG which is unmitigated. Not only that, it resides within this flip zone. So I'm anticipating now that we can possibly see a reaction within this area, and then we are going for the extreme highs. So this will be my today's trade bias. Now let's move to the 15 minutes to define our today's bias. As we move into the 15 minutes, we see picture a little clear. We took this liquidity, move into the upside direction, and we are having this leg from where we can possibly react to. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating now that I'll be turning on the session's liquidity. That in London session, most likely the price is going to go lower. Take the liquidity which is sitting here, and then we are going to go higher. The first target will of course be the Asia high, and then we will go towards the extreme PD area. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias regarding today's market, and if you have any suggestion, do let me know in the comments. Till then, see you in the next video.